everyone! In this video, I will show you how to tag content in Google Sheets using AI. To do this, you first need to add an extension. To install, go to the top menu and click on Extensions. Then, from the drop-down, click on Add-ons and select Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace in a pop-up window. In the search bar at the top right, type GPT for Sheets and press Enter. From the search results, install this. In this tutorial, I already have it installed, but on your end, there is an Install button at the bottom right part. Click this and follow the instructions on the screen to complete the setup. Once it's installed, you can open it by going back to the Extensions menu at the top. Hover over the extension you will use, then click Open. To make tags, we will use sticker products for this example. Click the designated cell and type =GPT_tag. Open a round bracket, then select the cell containing the text you want tags for, then type close round bracket. Then, press Enter. GPT will generate relevant tags or keywords. So, that is how you tag content in Google Sheets with AI. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.